Welcome back to Chinese Zero to Hero, where we offer complete video courses that take fresh beginners all the way to fluency, from HSK 1 all the way to HSK 6. From our HSK 3 video course, we selected this lesson and made it available on YouTube for a limited time only. Enjoy. We have already looked at simultaneous actions in Grammar 3.1.2 using verb, 着 verb. 弟弟吃着苹果写作业. But now we're going to introduce a new simultaneous actions construction. 一边 verb, 一边 verb. Meaning, as he does this, he does that. 他一边唱歌一边跳舞. He sings what he dances. Let's take a look. 他在做什么？他一边唱歌一边跳舞。Another example. 妈妈一边唱歌一边做饭。A very happy mom. She sings while she cooks. 我丈夫喜欢一边吃早饭一边看报纸。Good habit. Another example. 一边喝咖啡一边说了过去的事。What are the two actions? 喝咖啡 and 说什么？说了些过去的事。一边喝咖啡一边说了过去的事。一边 literally means one side. So on one side he's doing this and the other side he's doing that. 可以一边吃一边看电视。So he's eating on one side and watching TV on the other side. 一边吃一边看电视。Let's take a look at how this is done.
Artest looking, gets it to Brian. Brian dribbling, has to put
Could
it
be.
on the buzzer. Yeah! He banks in the three!
他在做什么？他一边吃一边看电视。More examples. 老师边说边笑。Notice how 一边 is shortened to just 边 E is omitted. 小丽和老同学边喝咖啡边聊天。Spending good times together with old classmates. If you found this lesson useful, you'll love our complete HSK 3 video course, which includes 187 videos that will teach you grammar and vocabulary, help you complete pair activities, and test your writing with dictation exercises. This course also comes with quizzes, interactive flashcards, and Chinese character worksheets. Our course uses a textbook called HSK 3 Standard Course, which you need to buy from a bookstore. The first unit of each course is available as free preview. Just scroll down to the curriculum section and click Preview. To browse our collection of courses, click the square button on the screen. Keep in mind that once you buy a course, you have it forever. Say goodbye to monthly subscription fees. Buy once, enjoy forever, plain and simple. The pricing is very affordable. Join us on the way to Chinese mastery, and I'll see you in the course.